Today we're making a Korean recipe with my favorite ingredient, potatoes. We're making Korean braised potatoes. Let's see how they are made. I have 2 potatoes over here which are chopped into medium-sized chunks and placed in water so that they don't brown. We're going to start by cooking the potatoes in this pan. Let's heat up the pan first. Starting with 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm going to add in all the potatoes. Just make sure there's no water going into the pan. I'm going to fry the potatoes till they turn nice and golden brown from the outside. This recipe can also be made with baby potatoes with their skin on. It gives a beautiful texture along with the skin. I'm going to turn down the flame. Time to add flavor to our potatoes. I'm going to start with green chilli that has been slit, 4 cloves of garlic that have been sliced, half an onion cut into medium chunks. I'm going to just toss this for a second. Next, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Along with that, I'm also going to add a pinch of salt just to make sure that everything tastes amazing. 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is going to melt and glaze the potatoes. Just going to give this a good toss. Once you notice that the sugar crystals have melted completely, you can add in water. I'm adding around 1/4 cup of water at first. I'm going to toss it around and cover it. And the potatoes will cook with all the steam that is produced with the water that we just added. Let's check on our potatoes. The water has thickened up. I'm just going to add the braising liquid over the potatoes to make sure that they are flavored from all sides. At this stage, I'm going to add in capsicum. This is 1 small capsicum. We're just going to cook this for 30 to 40 seconds. I just want them to get a little bit of heat, but I don't want them to soften too much. Adding in a splash of water. The potatoes are nice and shiny because of the sugar that we added to the sauce. Now that the water has evaporated completely, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. This is going to add a beautiful flavor to the potatoes. Topping it off with some toasted sesame seeds as well for a little bit of texture. Toss it around. And now they're ready to serve. If you make any modifications to this recipe and try it out, let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. Do give this recipe a try. It's super simple and let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.